we go, it's raining. I just want to show you guys. I put my succulents in the rain. I think they need it. Oh, I love this one. Look at the color. I'm not sure the ID. Look at that. And that one, I think this is Onslow. This one is so nice. This is my Opalina Barite dance cap. And I think this is a Bronze Delight. First lab variegated. You can see the colors, gorgeous. Lao 26, crested papyrus, and this one I don't know. Not sure what that is. Crested red hives, some jelly jam thing. Variegated Christmas cactus, bear paws variegated. This one not sure. This is purple champagne. Not sure what this is. This is my Monroe, the monstrous form. Some tiny lovely rose, some tiny jelly jam, some bluebird, pinky trumpet. Make sure the plants here. Hobby. Some of this, the one, the variegated soyon at Hedgehog. Not sure. I think this is Chocolate River. Okay, this is, guys, the continuation of the one I show you, my variegated stuff. So this one, I think I'll show you this to my old videos. This is the Ionium bronze medal, I think, if I'm not mistaken. They're growing like crazy. This is my Echeveria casing. One of my favorite arrangement. This is Crasula Isabella and Little Missy. And this one is the Sidon Minor. Look at that one, it's so tiny, but they're so pretty when grow like crazy. And this one, my chubby Amestro. What else? This is my Mebina. else I have here? I think this is a Mestro. And this is Ellen. No, no. That's it. Another old arrangement. I'm going to rearrange this one soon. This is DV, PBN. I'm not sure what is this. Melako. And this is my Black Prince in a weird looks. I'll show you. Actually, guys, love doing like a bonsai looks succulents. So it takes time to do it, a year or two, but when you have it, it's really nice. It's worth it. Like this one. This is the union. But look at this one. Another example of this one. Here is it. What else I have here? This one I'm just starting it. I'm not sure it's gonna going to be a bonsai.